Get her head under the water and hold her there.
Yeah.
Seems to be strong anyway.
Good.
Good, right. Release her and we'll go back up. Good, good. Well done. Yeah. Just move it around slightly. That's it. Good. Look at the fish. Right, squeeze the right up. That's it, that's it. Look at the fish, look at the front bit, look at the back bit. That's it. Alright, and then you just carry on.
That way, just a different angle.
So look, there's the teeth. Sorry, I'm busy catching fish.
I've been waiting for
So that's you. That's how this is a Wrasse. As you tighten the body. There you go. There's different colour. Different colour. Beautiful.
It's really boy.
Do a bit of work on the left hand. headline news.
Well in there, so
Good. Right, get your fingers as out of the way as you can. Yeah.
okay there.
And, yeah, try and show the jig. That's it. That's it. Yeah.
My finger.
Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, that's good actually. But just move it around and get it close to the lens, the wide angle lens. Remember, smart. That's it. Move it around. Move it really close. Move it really close, Mike. Get a photo with that camera as well. Try not to lose the fire on in the process. Right. Right, Trilene. So try and get it square onto my leg. That's it, that's it. You're on camera. Oh, it's a good one. Yeah, man. Excellent. That was really good.
Scrap.
Yeah, lovely fish. Well done. Find the rod tip. It's alright, it's alright. Okay, get it back. Oh, that's a good fish, yeah. That looked cool there as well. You want to get your hands out of the way, that's it. Get it back under. Cool.